Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. This is to do with the motorhome cooker, and we went down the van today to try a few things out and make sure everything's working. Turned the gas on and had a brew of coffee. When it come to turn the ring off, the knob just rotated round and round and round and round and round, and I took this one off as well, and inside of the knob there's a slot where there's a piece of sprung steel located there, and it rusted away and fell apart in this one. And this one's about to fail. Now, to get new knobs for this, it varies, depends on which cooker it is, between £4 and £30 for one plastic knob. And what I'm thinking of doing is, like old control radio knobs, you know, from the 70s and 80s, they would have like a grub screw in the side which would tighten on the shaft, and so you could take them off and on. So what I'm thinking of doing is drilling these knobs to fit like a grub screw that can be used to tighten on the shaft as a quick fix. Now I'll pull that piece of metal out there and show you what it looks like. Now, using pin nose pliers, I've pulled it out, and it just looks like a piece of what I call sprung steel, like a spring of a clock. Really crap idea, but I'm certainly not paying, you know, a couple of pounds for a knob, yes. £4, no. 30 quid, definitely not. So what I'm going to do is drill it and try and show you what I'm attempting to do. Okay, well, I think I've come up with an idea, and I've drilled a hole through there on the outside. I've put a small threaded screw through, and what I've done, I've got a small nut and I've mounted it into the plastic there. So what I can do now is, let me put this on my lap, I can put a screwdriver through there, you know, one of these like jeweller screwdrivers, and I can tighten this screw there, which will tighten onto the flat of the shaft, and from the outside it looks the same apart from one little hole there. You can see it. Hopefully you can see what I'm referring to. A bit tricky, but I think that will do the job. So you put a screwdriver through here and you can tighten this screw, and that will tighten onto the flat of the knob on the gas cooker. That's one done, and as I say, rather than have this crappy piece of metal that's bent, that should do the job. I'm just going to drill the other one now. Okay, carrying on with the knobs, I've had to modify it slightly, and what I've done, I've put the screw right to the edge, so it's easy to get a screwdriver in, and as you tighten that screw it pinches on the shaft. Sorry, as I tighten that screw it pinches on the shaft, the cooker. So there's just a little hole there, and a little hole there with a longer thread. It looks crooked, it is crooked, but I think that'll do the job. I've tried it on my house cooker and it works okay, so it should work right on the one in the motorhome. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like, and what I'll do now is I'll put some pictures up of cooker control knobs for motorhomes, and they are an absolutely ridiculous price. Now for a piece of plastic knob for a cooker, Thetford one is £14, Thetford cooker knobs £20, Spinnerflow replacement cooker control knobs £42, £10, £20, £8, £38.40 for a caravan control knob, £6, £4.95, £10, £43, £67. Now bearing in mind these are a little bit of plastic with a chrome cap, chrome plastic cap. They're absolutely rip-off prices. I can't believe it. Absolutely ridiculous for a plastic knob to go on your cooker. Rip-off.